Hi guys, once we are doing videos, we are doing for awareness only, and I keep stuck to the material which is very useful for you to have a good awareness on hair transplant surgery. So, hair transplant actually is a solution to the hair fall. Hair fall, we can divide it into two things. One is for female hair loss, and the other is male hair loss. And both genders, they need hair transplant surgery. As I say, almost 35% of the women, they get bald after 50. So they need hair transplant surgery, but nobody is putting any attention on this side of the hair loss, because so many women, they need to have a good hair on head at the young age of 50, and they need to go to the functions, the celebrations and everything. They need to have a good hair on head. So we need to take care of that gender as well, because attention on female hair losses after 50s is paid like at negligence level. So I would suggest the authorities and doctors to give attention on this as well, because they need hair on top of the head more than the male gender, because beauty conscious women, always beauty conscious, every woman is beauty conscious, and she need to be respected, and her beauty should be respected. So we need to take care of this big volume as well, and I would do some videos on that. But in this video, I would like to bring some point in front of you that is very important: buying and purchasing a cheap hair transplant. This is nothing. Actually, once you are buying a cheap thing, you are actually buying an expensive thing for you. Because keep in mind, and I will give you a very common example of something which is used in the kitchen every day. For example, I would elaborate microwave ovens, which is used in the kitchen every day. And if you buy some cheap thing, it will be creating problem every day for you, and every day you will be bringing it to the market to fix it up again and again. And you would spend a lot of gases going to the market, coming back to the home, going to the market after every day, and most of that is your time. It values a lot for everybody. So other thing is, once we put these things on the human, you cannot experience human scalp again and again. You cannot put it on in front of anybody who is not experienced one, who is not expert in hair transplant surgery or any surgery. I'm talking about hair transplant surgery, so I'm hair surgeon. I would elaborate that thing in front of you, because buying a cheap hair transplant is just like buying an expensive hair transplant for you, because it always gives you the complications. It always gives you the ruin of donor area. It always gives you complication in the recipient area, in the anesthesia, and many other things. And moreover, I would elaborate one thing: if a person is not experienced in hair transplant surgery, he can give you wrong anesthesia at wrong place and wrong time. So what would happen to you is, if you go into a complication, you will need lot of money to fix it up, and moreover, you will be losing confidence, which cannot be bought, which cannot be purchased in billions even. And if you get your donor area ruined, it cannot be purchased in billions even. If you get your recipient area ruined, it cannot be purchased in billions. So buying and purchasing a cheap hair transplant is actually, you are buying an expensive hair transplant for you, because you will need millions of money to fix it up again by going to the true experts. So why not choosing a true expert for yourself in a first go? So it will look like a little expensive to you, but buying that one from expert will not give you any complication in the future. Thank you very much. Keep watching these videos. These videos are based on awareness only. These are not commercial videos. I will never ask you to come to me for consultations, because I'm not doing this. I'm doing this only for awareness of the public. So please keep watching and keep sharing these videos to others. Thank you very much.